Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, Problem 3. Third problem. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of observation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Here for us, height of the pedestal given 2 meters and angle of elevation 45 degrees and 60 degrees given. We should find height of the statue. Look at the figure. Sorry, I am not an artist, I am a math teacher. Don't laugh at this figure by seeing this. A person is observing from a point of from here by observing top of the statue. Got angle of the top of the statue is 60 degrees and top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. He got means angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Here distance between point of observation and foot of the pedestal is x we are taking, and height of the pedestal given 2 meters and height of the statue we don't know. We should find the height of the statue. Here angle 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 2 meters given. We should find height of the statue, and we will find distance between point of observation and foot of the pedestal. Based upon this, I will draw one right angle triangle. You will get two right angle triangles. One is 45 degrees and one is 60 degrees right angles. Once I will explain in Hindi and Telugu. एक आदमी है, यहाँ से देख रहा, स्टैचू को देखे तो एंगल 60 डिग्री आ रहा, पेडिस्टल के देखे तो 45 डिग्री एंगल आ रहा. यहाँ से यहाँ तक डिस्टेंस एक्स हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना. ये पेडिस्टल की हाइट 2 मीटर से, हाइट ऑफ द स्टैचू क्या है हम लोग को नहीं मालूम, फाइंड आउट करना. वो इच हम लोग समझ रहे హెచ్. తెలుగు ఒక అబ్బాయి ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తున్నాడు. ఓ స్టాచ్యూని చూస్తే హైట్ 60 డిగ్రీస్ వచ్చింది, కింది నుండి పెడిస్టల్ చూస్తే 45 డిగ్రీస్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంతో మనకు తెలియదు, దాన్ని మనం ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటాం. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాచ్యూ ఏందో మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. పెడిస్టల్ హైట్ 2 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. ఇక్కడ మనకు రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ and one more right angle triangle, two right angle triangles we will get. See here, look at the figure I am drawing separately. Here I am taking A and B and C and D. This BC is a pedestal. Height of the pedestal is 2 meters given. CD is a point of observation and foot of the pedestal. We are taking X. AB is the height of the statue H. Here angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees up to here, and height of the statue is 60 degrees. Sorry, height of the statue we don't know. We should find angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degrees. Remember always, when you increases the angle will increase, when you decreases the angle will decrease. Any statue, anything you will see up onwards means you will get angle will increase. When you see downwards means angle will decrease. Remember this very important point. Now we will get to two triangles. One right angle triangle will take BCD. Here angle C is a right angle triangle. I will take once BCD and I will prove. Again I will take ACD. Two right angle triangles I will take and I will prove. This right angle triangle 45 degrees and another right angle triangle based upon 60 degrees angle. This total AB, length of AB is H, length of AC is H plus 2. Remember. See, look at the point steps. Let the height of the statue AB is equals to height of the statue AB is equals to H. We'll write here H. Height of the statue AB is equals to H meters. Next, let the distance between the point of observation and the foot of pedestal CD. Here point of observation and foot of the pedestal CD is equal to, we are taking X. Let the distance between the point of observation and the foot of the pedestal CD is equal to X meters. And height of the pedestal BC. Here height of the pedestal BC is equal to 2 meters. Height of the pedestal BC is equal to 2 meters. This is given. And angle of elevation of angle of elevation of top of the statue and top of the pedestal are 60 degrees and 45 degrees given. Angle of elevation top of the pedestal and top of the statue are given, and RSS top of the statue and the top of the pedestal are given 60 degrees and 45 degrees. Here look at the figure. I am drawing separately triangle BCD. BCD is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. See here, BCD is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Distance between point of observation and foot of the pedestal is x, and height of the pedestal is 2 meters. Here, this BCD is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. Here angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Pedestal height is 2 meters. Here pedestal height is 2 meters, and distance between point of observation and foot of the pedestal is x. Now this length of the here pedestal height is 2 meters, and distance between point of observation foot of the pedestal is distance between point of observation and foot of the pedestal is x. Here longest side is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side, and another side is opposite side. This is opposite side. Now we will take a tan theta, opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, where theta is equal to 45 degrees from the figure. Here from the figure, in a triangle BCD, angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Now tan 45 degrees I will take. Tan 45 degrees is equals to tan 45 degrees equal opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, where theta is equals to 45 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. I am writing 1 in the place of tan 45. I am writing 1. Where opposite side is equals to BC. Opposite side is equal BC, and adjacent side is equal CD. Opposite side is equal BC and adjacent side is equal to CD. Here 1 by 1 I write is equals to BC is equals to what? BC is equal height of the pedestal 2 meters, and CD is equals to x. Now by cross multiplication, x into 1 into x is equals to x, 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Therefore 1 into x is equal to x, 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Therefore x is equals to 2 meters. Now by taking triangle ACD, AC is equals to h plus 2, where CD is equal as it is x, where angle of elevation is 60 degrees. See here I am drawing separately. In a triangle, ACD is a right angle triangle, right angle at C, where AC is equal to h plus 2, where CD is equal to x. The longest side is called hypotenuse, and adjacent side is hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side, and the next side is opposite side. Another side is opposite side. Now we will take tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, where theta is equal to 60 degrees. Tan from the figure, in a triangle ACD, in a triangle ACD, where angle C is equals to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Now tan theta will take tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3, where opposite side is equal to what? Opposite side is equal to AC. Opposite side is equal to AC, and adjacent side is equal to CD. Opposite side is equal to AC, adjacent side is equal to CD. I am writing root 3 by 1 is equals to AC. Here AC is equal to what? H plus 2. H is the height of the statue, 2 is the height of the pedestal. By CD, distance between point of observation, foot of the pedestal, x. CD is equal to x. By cross multiplication, here h plus 2, I will take LHS side, h plus 2, h plus 2 into 1, h plus 2 is equals to root 3 into x, root 3 x. Now h plus 2 is equals to root 3 into here x. X is equals to, we got the value, x is equal to 2 meters. I am writing in the place of x, since x is equals to 2 meters. Proved above. Now h plus 2 is equals to h plus 2 is equals to 2 into root 3. Here h plus 2 is equal to 2 into root 3. I am writing 2 RHS side, addition quantity becomes subtraction quantity. H is equals to 2 into root 3 minus plus quantity becomes a minus quantity, plus 2 you should write as a minus 2. H is equals to, here 2 taking common, I am taking 2 common, 2 taking common, here 2 taking common, root 3 minus 1. Once see, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 minus 2 ones 2, we got the same value. Or else you circle the common terms, circle value you write outside, remaining value you write inside. Now h is equals to 2 into root 3 means what? 1.732. Root 3 is equals to value 1.732 minus 1. Here root 3 is equal to 1.732, where h is equals to 2 into 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Point what left? 7 3 2 left. Now multiply, h is equals to 2 into, we should multiply this total value, 2 2s 4 and 2 3s 6, 2 7s 14. Now where should keep this decimal point? 1 2 3. Sorry. Once again I write this step. H is equals to 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 7s 14. Here where should we keep decimal point means count from last onwards 1 2 3. Left side you should count 1 2 3 digits. Here also count from left side 1 2 3 digits. Beside you should keep 1.464 meters. Therefore height of the statue h is equals to 1.464 meters. Hence we proved. See here we got height of the statue. Height of the statue is equals to 1.464 meters. Where distance between point of observation, foot of the pedestal, we got x is equals to 2 meters. Hence we proved.